guys, you're with me, Kevin, your scuba professional, and today we're here to review the Scubapro MK25 with the G260 air system that we've got available on our website. This is quite an awesome hardcore system used a lot by tech divers, but a lot of recreational divers jumping on it as well. So let's unbox it to see what's going on. Well, first off comes in this really funky Scubapro box. Scubapro makes some really cool boxes. Okay, opening it up to see what's going on inside here. Come here. Okay, opening up, we have an instruction manual, we have the regulator, and we have a funky little Allen key. I'm going to hang on to that. Doesn't work on the first stage. This guy, recycle him. Regulator, very important. Regulator instruction manual, very important that you read this cover to cover so you fully understand the goings on of your MK25 EVO G260 air system. Read that a while ago. Okay, cool. So let's go through all the details of the rig itself. Let's start with the MK25 and work our way down to the second stage. Scubapro's MK25 EVO air system, or first stage, is Scubapro's highest performing first stage that they've currently got on the market. It's a balanced piston first stage, meaning that the chambers on each side are balanced, so there's a very low work of breathing. No matter what the depth or how much air you've got left in your cylinder, you're going to get a really good flow of air from this first stage. There's a blue line through the middle over here on the inside, and that's the indication that this is the new EVO, meaning also that it is environmentally sealed. And because it's environmentally sealed, you can dive this in really cold waters, and it gives a lot of thermal protection to the first stage itself. As the air comes out the cylinder and hits the first stage, as that air expands, it tends to get quite cold. And also with the water temperature being quite cold, some first stages are prone to icing up in chillier waters. That will not happen with this. It's designed specifically for the thermal protection to keep the air as warm as it possibly can for delivery to the diver. One of the things I really like about Scubapro's air systems here is the MK25 comes with the swivel section at the top, so all your ports, all your low pressure ports over here can be adjusted when you're diving. So if you've got this thing plugged into the back of your air system or plugged into your cylinder, you can find that by swiveling this around, you don't have that pulling reflex when you're underwater. So it's a lot more comfortable to dive with, and it's got your 2 HP ports at the bottom over there. This coming with the DIN fitting. One of the things I really like about Scubapro's DIN fitting is the connector, the valve that you twist over here. It's been squared off as opposed to the standard round one you find on all other regulators. This squaring off of this DIN fitting makes it a lot more comfortable, a lot easier to open and tighten on your cylinder, specifically if you're working with wet hands. This is a very nice little touch that Scubapro have got there, and this first stage rated to 300 bar. The hose is Scubapro's standard regulator hose. It is the standard rubber hose. It is not the braided hoses. Scubapro opting to stay away from braided hoses, as that makes it much easier for you to see any corrosion or cracking in the hose itself, so you know when it's time to replace it. And let's jump on to the G260 air system here. You can feel immediately as you pick it up that this is a really good quality air system. It's quite heavy in the hand. That's because of the engineered and milled chrome and brass that they've built into this. So there's a brass fitting on the side over here. This faceplate around the outside is also a chrome faceplate, and your adjustment knob over here is also milled in chrome. So it looks really good. It feels heavy in the hand when you're holding it, but that's an indication of some really good quality. The purge valve at the front over there is quite easy and big, so it's easily identified. So if you're diving this with a set of even dry suit gloves, it will be very easy for you to find that to purge. It is a balanced second stage as well, so even the chamber that runs through is made of chrome, and it's balanced, so you're assured of the highest performing and the most endurance out of this air system compared to any other air systems in the Scubapro range. You've got your pre-dive setting at the top over here that will reduce the amount of free flow. So before you roll over the back of the boat to jump in, you'd put it on pre-dive just to stop it from free flowing. And that goes a long way to prevent that Venturi effect on the inside, that little whirlwind which causes it to free flow that you've got over here. One of the things I really like about this air system is the fact that you can swap the hose and the chamber over. So this can be used in a tech configuration for stage cylinders as well. So you can unscrew this, turn the chamber around or barrel around on the inside, and then mount the adjustment knob on the side, and the hoses can come out the other. So that's why this is so popular with tech divers as well, for the number of different configurations that they have. The exhaust T at the side is quite big and designed in such a way that it has the minimal effort required to exhaust the air out of the air system. So if you're doing those really long tech dives, you can get quite tired after you've been underwater for several hours. So even the smallest reduction in joules of work as far as breathing is concerned, even on the exhalation, that goes a really long way to combating the fatigue of the diver when he or she is underwater. So overall, this has been engineered really, really well. I really like those chrome accents and bits and pieces that they've put on there, making it look really, really cool, but also serving a purpose, making the regulator pretty much bulletproof. So it's the Scubapro S2 or G260 second stage balanced, and then going up to the MK25 EVO balanced first stage over here, making this a bulletproof, unbeatable combination as far as diving is concerned. So if you're a serious diver that's doing a lot of diving and you need an air system that you can beat up on a regular basis, this is the system that I would go for, because it is Scubapro's most rugged of all the air systems currently available on the market today. So there's that review, the MK25 EVO with the G260 air system, available from our website. If you guys are enjoying these product reviews, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, or go check out all our social streams, the main one being facebook.com/scuba.co.za. We're sure to keep you up to date with all the really funky things that we've got going on an ongoing basis. We've also got Instagram, Twitter, and all the other socials. Just give scuba.goes a search and we're bound to come up. So that's it from me, guys, and I look forward to seeing you really soon in the water.